Hello, this is CoSpaces Edu tutorial, how to lock or unlock something by Ren. This tutorial will show you how to unlock or lock an item. The first step to unlocking or unlock something is to tap the library, as you can see right here in the bottom right corner. Now tap one of these categories that I'm circling in the bottom right. Drag the armchair box up into your empty space. Double tap the armchair. You should find two black boxes right here. If you want to unlock something, double tap the item again and press the unlock button right there.